Yeah, he always goes right for it. Hi, crazy. Aiden.
What are you doing?
Aiden. What? What are you doing? What? What?
Ready for your mama now? You want mama?
Aiden. What's wrong? What's the matter? What? What's that? Is that a bottle? Is that a floating bottle? Go ahead, get it. Go ahead, get the floating bottle. Get it. Oh.